They tell you shit like, I want to suck your big black fucking cock. They call this shit a cock. Feel like this shit grew 2 more inches. Like, nigga, what? Get this cock. Suck your fucking cock. Come on off my fucking face. What? I treat it like my bed sheet, man. I'm telling you, I skeet all over that motherfucker. But just on some real shit though, man. You know, nigga up here, you know what I'm saying, chilling and shit. Fucking around with Crick. Y'all give my nigga Crick a round of applause, man. He hosted my second comedy show though, just for real though. I've been doing this shit, come August, it'll be like 2 years. You know, I ain't got no money. You know, nigga ain't on the TV at all. Nigga, I ain't got no business card. You know, just real shit though, you know, because nigga tell me, man, you don't take comedy serious. I say, man, look at the irony in that, man. Just look at it. You know, it ain't serious. You feel me? The only thing that to be serious about comedy is if a nigga don't want to pay me or if a nigga want to scrap. You feel me though? Yeah, nigga, fuck that. I wasn't getting hit, nigga. He big in his shirt say security. I'm glad. Let that nigga make the thing. Man, nigga, y'all think I'm bullshit. My nerve, man.